Today, we're taking a first look at the all-new 2025 Prime Mini Split. Let's dive right in. We're starting with the indoor unit. Inside, we've got the remote control holder, installation cables, and a full set of documentation. Now, here's the remote. Sleek, intuitive, and loaded with features like sleep mode for ultra-quiet operation, perfect for nighttime comfort. Right out of the box, you'll notice the clean, modern design, compact, and perfect for blending into any room. A sleek, high-performance system built for energy-efficient heating and cooling with smart home integration and premium features throughout. Next up, the outdoor unit, the condenser. This is where the magic happens. It's powered by a state-of-the-art inverter DC compressor. The unit itself is built tough with anti-corrosive protection, ideal for humid or coastal environments, helping to extend its lifespan significantly. In the box, you'll also find the line set with protective sleeves, the mounting kit, and everything needed for a smooth, professional installation. The 2025 Prime Mini Split delivers powerful heating and cooling, boasts a 17 SEER rating, and includes built-in Wi-Fi, along with Alexa and Google Talk compatibility. It's certified, smart, and quiet. Thanks for watching this unboxing. If you found it helpful, don't forget to follow Perdomo Distributor for more updates and product spotlights.